Today we have in our menu is a nice delicious paneer dish which is Paneer Do Pyaaza or cottage cheese with onions, and the ingredients for which are heat oil, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 3 green cardamoms, 4 to 5 green chilies, saute it for few seconds. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. We have to saute our ginger garlic till the rawness goes off completely. Our ginger garlic is done. Now add 1 cup of onion paste. We will saute our onions till the excess moisture is evaporated and the color is slightly changed. Now add 2 teaspoons of coriander seed powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, salt to taste, mix well. We are going to roast our spices till they turn aromatic and the oil starts to separate. Our spices are roasted nicely. Now add 1 cup of tomato puree. Mix well and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes or till the excess moisture is evaporated and the oil starts to separate. Oil has started to release. Now add 3 medium-sized onions which are cut in cubes. Add 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi. Mix it nicely and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. Add 1 cup of water. Mix it. We are going to cover the lid and cook our onions on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Mix it. Onions are done. Now we are going to add 1 cup of water, adjusting the consistency of the gravy. If you want, you can add more water. Mix it and bring it to a boil. Add 300 grams of cottage cheese or paneer in the gravy. Mix it nicely. We are going to cook our paneer pieces for 4 to 5 minutes on low flame so that all the flavors of the gravy are nicely infused in our paneer. Cover the lid and let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Our Paneer Do Pyaaza is ready. Sprinkle some finely chopped fresh coriander leaves. Mix it and transfer it to a serving dish. Our Paneer Do Pyaaza is ready. Garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves. You can enjoy it with naan, parathas or chapatis. If you like the recipe, please like, share and subscribe the channel.